Hey guys, welcome to On Fire Roblox Scripting Extras, and in this extras tutorial, I'm just going to be showing you guys a few ways you can customize your coin when you collect it. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to be going over is how to make this coin rotate. So like it will be constantly rotating. I know, it just looks good. So under your coin right here, we're going to click the plus and enter in a new script. Let's call this script something simple, just like rotate. And then you can now write what I write. I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit. Start off with some variables. So once again, local coin equals to script.parent. And then local, this is going to be a new variable. This is going to be our speed of rotation. So local rotation speed. And then here you can just put like a value of speed. So like if you want like a general reference, 45 is kind of slow, 360 is pretty fast. So just put in like a number. You can play around with it later. I'll just put in something like 180 for now. We can change it later. And after that, go down 2 lines, and then here we're gonna create the actual rotation. So we can write something like while true do. This will just create a new loop that will run on forever. And then coin.cframe. So this is just the orientation of the coin. And then we're going to multiply that. So put in a star and an equal. So we're going to multiply that by the C-frame angles. So C-frame.angles. Put in brackets. I'm just going to zoom out just a little bit. And inside the brackets, we're going to put in our rotational angles. So that's just going to be 0, comma, and then math.rad. So this is going to be angles. So math.rad. And inside the brackets of math.rad, we can put in our rotation speed. And then just go out 1 bracket. So you're still within the total brackets. We're going to put a space. We're going to put in the multiplication sign or the star key. And then we can write task.wait. And there should be another set of brackets. And then inside those brackets, we're going to write in a very, very small number. For example, 0.01. The smaller the number, the smoother your rotation is going to be. 0.01 is generally pretty good. It really looks very smooth at 0.01. And after that, we can put in a comma, and then we can put in a 0. And that is all you have to do for rotation. So if I test out the game right now, you can see that our coin is currently spinning just like that. And I can still collect the coin. And if I wait for the coin to respawn any second now, you can see the coin is still spinning. Now to demonstrate the rotation speed, let's set it to something just like 18. This is a really slow rotation speed. If I come here, you can see the coin is technically still rotating, just really slow. And if I set the speed to something like 1800, then the speed will be just incredibly fast. The rotation speed it's out of this world, not gonna lie. Really fast rotations. But yeah, that is how you would make your coin rotate. So the next thing I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do is how to make the coin give you like just a random amount of cash whenever you collect it. So we're gonna go back to our collect script over here. And as you can see under here, we just give the player cash, like 50 cash every single time. So we can change that by using a function called math.random. So just after this line, if leader stats then, we can just create a new variable. So local random cash equals to math.random. And inside the brackets, we can just put in your range. So the first number is going to be the lowest amount of cash you want them to have. And the second number is going to be like the highest. So if I put something like 25 and then a comma and then a 75, the game will choose a random number between 25 and 75. And then we can give that to the player by replacing this 50 with random cash, just like that. So if I test it out right now, you can see I have 100 cash. Now usually in previous tests, whenever I collected the coin, I would just gain 50. But you can see this time I gained 38. Let's just do it one more time to make sure that it is truly random. If I come back here, I collected this time, and this time they gave me 26. So yeah, that is how you would implement random cash into your coin. So the last thing I'm going to do is show you guys how to play a sound whenever the coin is collected. So to do that, we need sound. If you already have your own sound, then you can just go into the coin, click the plus, search up sound right there, click on sound, go into the properties, and then find the sound ID and just paste your ID in there. If you want to use someone else's sound, that also works. Just go under the home tab and then click on the toolbox, and over here on this drop down arrow, just click that and then click on audio, and then here you can search up for all sorts of sounds. For example, I can just search up coin sound, and then it would bring you a bunch of different coin sounds. So like, let's hear this first one. Yeah, that's pretty good. And then you can just go down the list, like maybe that's an interesting coin sound. That one might work too. But once you have found the one you have liked, just click on it and then click on this little insert button right here, and then the sound will appear inside your Explorer. And then what you want to do is just take this coin sound and then drag it under your coin, and then we can just rename it if you want. Let's rename it to collect sound, and then we can come back to our collect script. I'm just going to close off this panel right here, and then we can add that to our variables. So just go down the line and write local sound equals to coin dot collect sound. So that's what we named it. So we're just going to call it collect sound. And then after we have given them the cash, we can play that sound. So we can just go down the line and you can write sound colon play. And that is all we have to do. So if I come back here, if I go up to the coin, you can see the coin's still spinning. If I just go here, you can see the sound has been played after we collected the coin, and I once again gained that random amount of cash from earlier. I'm just gonna wait for the coin to respawn, just like that. So I can just collect the coin again, and you can see the sound has played once again. So yeah, that'll be it for this extras tutorial. If you liked it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!